Imagine Pakistan's fields not only being battered by floods and storms, but also being left behind in a global digital race. That's the urgent alarm sounded by Dawn in its editorial Agriculture Crisis. The piece centers on a new FAO report, Impact of Disasters on Agriculture and Food Security, which reveals that climate-driven disasters have inflicted a staggering $3.6 trillion United States dollars in agricultural losses globally over the past 3 decades. Behind this number lie millions of ruined livelihoods, growing hunger, and fragile rural economies. Dawn underlines that these climate disasters are accelerating and our capacity to cope is not keeping up. But the report does not paint only a bleak picture. It also offers hope through technology. AI, drones, remote sensing, sensors, and digital insurance platforms are already transforming risk management in agriculture, enabling early warning systems, parametric insurance, and advisory services that help farmers act before disaster strikes. Yet, according to the editorial, Pakistan is lagging badly. We are not fully using these tools, and our farmers' access to digital advisory and insurance remains patchy at best. Digging deeper, Dawn argues that while climate shocks are external, our internal weaknesses amplify their impact. Repeated floods have eroded soil, raised salinity, and damaged irrigation infrastructure. Our food storage, processing, and transportation systems remain weak, making recovery after disaster painfully slow. The editorial warns that technology alone is not enough. What's missing is political will, long-term investment, and a national strategy to mainstream digital agriculture. Dawn calls for remote sensing, crop mapping, AI-based pest surveillance, mobile advisory hubs, and disaster-indexed insurance, but argues that without commitment and funding, these remain idealistic. There are several broader questions we should debate. How can Pakistan bridge its digital divide so that small farmers also benefit? What role should the government play in regulating and promoting digital agriculture? Takeaways for CSS aspirants. This editorial is a gold mine for essay and general knowledge topics. It links climate change, economic vulnerability, technology and digital transformation, and public policy. You can use its arguments in essays on sustainable development, climate resilience, or governance challenges. For interviews or the general knowledge paper GK, it provides real-world evidence of how disasters affect agriculture and how innovation can play a role in mitigation. It also highlights the importance of policy reforms, making it relevant to public administration and development subjects. In short, Dawn's agriculture crisis is not just a warning, it's a call to action. It demands that we recognize the dual challenge: climate risk is rising, but so is our capacity to respond, if only we invest, innovate, and plan with purpose.